What's the meaning of attrition? Attrition. Attrition.
Attrition. Attrition. Attrition refers to the gradual reduction or depletion of something over time. In a business context, attrition is often used to describe the process of losing employees or customers due to natural causes like retirement or relocation, or through voluntary or involuntary means like resignations, terminations, or failed contract renewals. The result of attrition can include reduced workforce efficiency, decreased customer loyalty, and lower revenue for a company. It is important for businesses to track and manage attrition rates in order to minimize negative impacts on their operations and profitability.